But now it's time for our most explosive part of the show, the live experiment. Like last month, the experiment is taking place on the island of Lesbos in Greece. But it's better to be safe than sorry. What's coming our way, Mattia? Mattia?
What? Sorry, what?
What's coming our way?
Oh yeah, true. The experiment. Yeah. We're connecting now with Georgia Rungos, a Scientix ambassador, TV regular, and experiment enthusiast. As we mentioned last month, George has a YouTube channel with more than 100 science experiments, and all of which can be performed with simple household items. That means that parents can do these experiments with their children over the summer. It's a fun way, to engage with STEM while the school is out. George, welcome back to Scientix TV. George will now show us how to crush a can with air pressure. Take it away, George.
Hello, Mattia. Hello, everyone. Today we will explore the effects of atmospheric pressure, and let me start with a short story. Almost 400 years ago, in 1643, during the Enlightenment period, a very well-known scientist, assistant of Galileo Galilei, Evangelista Torricelli, succeeded in measuring the atmospheric pressure. His measurements showed that the atmospheric pressure at sea level is 100,000 newtons per square meter. This means that in every square meter of a table stands column of air until the borders of atmosphere, which weighs as much as 10 cars. Of course, atmospheric pressure is present all over the table, and the table stands still. So, scientists proposed that if we could find a way to reduce the pressure from the one side of the surface, the other side will move very quickly. To confirm that, all we need is an aluminum can, a small camping stove, a lighter, a canister with water and ice, some water, and some paper towels. The steps are very easy, but we advise students to do this experiment with adult supervision. So, we pour some water in the can. And we warm it on the camping stove. When the water starts to boil, we quickly put the can into the canister with the opening facing down. Just wait a minute. I think it's ready. As you can see, the can crashes and water comes inside. This happens because when the water is boiling, the can is full of water vapor. When the opening of the can is covered with the ice water, the vapor water condenses to liquid and the pressure inside reduces instantly. The external atmospheric pressure crushes the can. So, if we reduce the pressure from the one side of an object, the object will move. In this case, the walls of the can. You see, science is fun, experiments is such a good way to review STEM concepts during the summer. Back to you, Mattia.
Wow, thank you, George. That was amazing. I guess we know what to do with all the ice cubes that are going to be used for the summer.
I might have to try a few of these myself over the summer. Thanks, Mattia and George. We cannot wait to see what experiments await us next school year. But I'm afraid that's it for today. Now, don't forget to comment on social media using the hashtag ScientixTV. And thanks to our guests and everyone making possible ScientixTV, the show where you can look at the world through STEM glasses. Now, tune in again in September. Enjoy your summer break. All the best for your Scientix team, and goodbye.
Bye. Oh, almost forgot. The Scientix conference is back. Workshops, roundtables, presentations, and much more. On Friday 18 and Saturday 19 November, join us online to enjoy thought-provoking and inspiring sessions on the state of the STEM education in Europe. Registration is open in September. More information on the Scientix website.